I got you. It's clear. Jay from Rocky Mount, North Carolina.
I'm Jay from Rocky Mount, North Carolina. You know what I'm saying? I'm an ex-con, I'm a felon.
Okay.
And you know, it's too hard for us out here. They put us in the system, shoot us out, can't get jobs, there's no programs, no anything. You know, my brother just caught 20 years, and I imagine what he's gonna go through in 20 years.
Yeah.
But it's society's problem.
Okay.
You know, they don't want to deal with it and face it, you know, but this is something that needs to be dealt with.
And when the President Romney, whoever get elected, if it don't be President Romney, what's going to happen to society as a whole for the black community? Let's speak on it. I ain't talking about the white community.
It's over for the black man, period.
Black man, I like that. The black woman, she's still going to progress.
The black woman going to always make it because she's a woman.
Exactly.
And she's strong.
Yeah. But the black man...
But the black man, they don't want to see us successful, succeed or anything, because if they did, they would definitely put things and programs back in our community and make our life better for us and our children. Exactly.
So really, they hate us and the children.
Yeah.
How many abortions and stuff going on?
They got to keep the population down.
Exactly.
They don't want us here.
Population control. I like that. You wise man. Now, what school? Have you university? You been to universities or colleges?
No, I mean, I played high school ball.
Okay.
I signed with the University of Villanova.
Wow.
Unfortunately,
what happened,
I committed a crime. And
can't wait for the money because you had to get the money now.
Yeah.
But the stress on you, ain't it?
I mean, well, it's life learning lessons, and I definitely wouldn't change my life at all because I have 4 beautiful kids.
Amen.
And you know, and how can you enjoy winning if you never lost?
Exactly. I like that. And like truth be said, you know, I'm a felon. I went to Carolina, all these white schools. When I got a felony, I'm on the same level as everybody else. And guess what? I don't care. I don't care if I got a felony. I'm trying to help people. I got a foundation out here giving out clothes. You know what I mean? I don't care about none of this, man. I'm saying what we need to do, all the educated people, you know what I mean? They need to start helping us out, man. Because when Rick Romney, he don't care about nobody.
Stop talking about what people can do and get their life better. Help them.
Help them, man.
Help them.
For real, when you go on one side of the track and go to the other side of the track,
help them.
The only thing you see, these guys over here, they got it. But they're not giving back to the community. They're not starting programs. They ain't doing them getting Mercedes-Benzes and bigger houses and move it out.
And one more thing.
Okay, sir.
And this for my black community.
I talk to the black community.
You support all these Arabic stores and Indian stores.
Oh.
How about us getting smart and wising up and support our black-owned businesses and make sure we put that back in our community? I
got one question. Have you ever seen a Chinese man go to a Chinese restaurant?
No.
Where they eat at, man? Where's the Chinese community at, bro? I haven't seen that Chinese in our community. I haven't seen a Chinese man in the white community. Where the Chinese at? But yet still, they come to work and they stay somewhere.
And look, and they stay in better communities, homes, and everything than us. And we've been here our whole life, and we can't get a dime from the government without going through so many procedures.
Amen. And he's just trying to wake up the black community. You know what I mean? This is an Utley Foundation program. There's a lot of shows we're going to be doing. People from the hood, people from the street who know what's going on, who not deaf, dumb, and blind. You know, he got knowledge of self. I'm not asking about his religion. We ain't talking about no religion. We just talking about black issues right now. You know what I mean? And thank you, sir, for taking your time out, man, and talk to the Utley Foundation, man. We appreciate it, man. What up, man? Yeah. Gotta do this on YouTube.